Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you the HeyPhoto AI. Change gender, how to change gender traits in a photo. Let's get started. You can open heyphoto.com via browser. You can do it from mobile or from PC. And right now I'm using mobile version heyphoto.com. So you can tune selfies and group photos with AI. So you can upload first the photo you want to edit. Here, as you can see, you can reset the smile, you can adjust the smile here, or sad here. You can tap three line at the top of your screen and tap the gender here, so you can change the gender into a woman. Here, use a beautify. So you can adjust the gender here, and also you can use the emotion, smile, even the age here. Try to look younger. So feel free to try to use the HeyPhoto. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click this button below. See you in the next video.